Have you ever wondered what it takes to grow one of the world's most beloved snacks, cashews? How does a simple nut go from a tree in the sun-drenched fields of Ivory Coast to your snack bowl or culinary masterpiece? This journey is more than just about harvesting. It's about the intricate balance of nature, technology, and hard work. From planting seeds to processing nuts, the path from farm to table is an extraordinary story of resilience, innovation, and passion. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes in Ivory Coast, the world's leading cashew producer, where agriculture and technology merge to create a product enjoyed by millions globally. So, how does Ivory Coast manage to stay at the top of the cashew game? Let's find out. Introduction to Ivory Coast and its role in the global cashew industry. Ivory Coast, nestled on the west coast of Africa, has earned a reputation as the cashew capital of the world. In 2024, it's estimated to produce nearly 1 million tons of cashews, accounting for around 20% of the global cashew output. That's a remarkable feat, considering that over 600,000 households rely on cashew farming as their primary source of income. With its rich fertile lands and perfect climate, Ivory Coast has positioned itself as the dominant player in cashew production. In 2023 alone, the country exported cashews worth over $3 billion, an economic lifeline that fuels not only the nation's economy but also supports millions of families. But the journey of a cashew nut begins long before it finds its way to international markets. It starts with the careful cultivation and nurturing of cashew trees. The life cycle of a cashew tree. Cashew trees don't grow overnight. It takes years of care and dedication before they start bearing fruit. The story of each cashew begins with the soil, which must be prepared properly to ensure the trees thrive. Cashew trees prefer sandy, loamy soil with good drainage and a pH level between 5.5 and 7.0. These conditions prevent waterlogging, which could otherwise stunt the tree's growth. Seeds are chosen carefully, either through direct propagation from a healthy mother tree or from high-quality commercial seeds. Only the best seeds, free from pests, deformities, or damage, are selected. This is a critical step because the seeds will shape the future of the cashew crop. Once planted, cashew saplings are transplanted into fields when they reach about 15 to 24 inches in height. The best time for planting is during the rainy season when the soil is moist, ensuring the young trees establish strong roots. To maintain optimal growth, trees are spaced about 26 feet apart, allowing them enough room to spread their branches and absorb sunlight. Cultivation challenges and maintenance. The cashew trees need constant care and attention. During the growth phase, water is essential, especially in the dry season when the trees are most vulnerable. Efficient drainage systems are a must to avoid waterlogging, which can cause root rot and other diseases. To ensure healthy growth, farmers remove dry branches, pest-infested limbs, and weeds around the base of the trees. This creates a well-ventilated environment that reduces the risk of pests and diseases. The blooming period and the cashew flower. From December to February, as the dry season winds down, the cashew trees bloom. This is the critical flowering phase, where delicate clusters of blossoms appear in soft hues of pale yellow and pinkish white. The fragrance of these flowers attracts pollinators, small insects that play a vital role in the fertilization of the cashew flowers. Once pollinated, the flowers give way to tiny cashew nuts, which grow at the base of the flower. The ripening process can take several months, and the nuts must be carefully watched for signs of maturity. Harvesting the cashews. After about 3 to 4 years of cultivation, cashew trees begin to yield their first crop. However, it takes up to 12 years for the trees to reach their full production capacity. The cashews ripen when the outer shell transitions from green to a reddish or yellowish hue. This is the perfect time for harvesting. The harvesting process itself is intricate. Farmers often wait for the cashews to naturally fall from the trees. They use long poles to gently knock the branches, especially when the trees are tall. Only the dry fruits, which are fully ripened and have vibrant red or yellow hues, are picked. This ensures that the nuts are of the highest quality, with the optimal flavor and texture. Why are cashews so expensive? You might wonder, why are cashews so expensive? The high cost of cashews is due to several factors. First, the trees take years to mature, about 3 to 5 years for initial production, and 8 to 12 years to reach peak production levels. Second, cashew harvesting is labor-intensive. The nuts must be carefully selected, and harvesting is done primarily by hand, which requires a significant amount of time and effort. The technology behind the cashew harvesting process. To increase efficiency and reduce manual labor, many farmers in Ivory Coast now rely on modern technology. One key tool is the advanced cashew fruit and nut separator, which is compact yet powerful. These machines help separate the nut from the fruit with minimal damage, speeding up the harvesting process. The technology is imported from countries like Thailand and provides farmers with a more efficient way to process large quantities of nuts in less time. Once harvested, the cashews are sun-dried to reduce moisture content, which ensures better preservation. The drying process takes 2 to 3 days, depending on weather conditions. Sun-drying is also a cost-effective method that retains the nut's natural flavor, unlike industrial drying processes. The processing journey of the cashews. After drying, the cashews are ready to make their way to processing factories, where they undergo several crucial stages. The first step is cleaning, where the nuts are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris. Following this, they are roasted at high temperatures to enhance their natural flavor and crunchiness. Shelling is one of the most crucial steps in cashew processing. In large factories, modern machines are used to efficiently crack open the tough outer shell without damaging the delicate nut inside. These machines are capable of processing thousands of pounds of raw cashews per hour, significantly reducing time and labor costs compared to manual methods. Once shelled, the cashews go through additional sorting and inspection stages. Only the highest quality nuts make it through the system, ensuring a premium product for consumers. Final stages: flavoring and packaging. For the cashews that make it to the final stages, it's time to add flavor. Seasoning cashews with spices like sea salt, garlic, and chili gives them a unique and unforgettable taste. This seasoning process is done using specialized tumbling or spraying equipment to ensure an even coat of spices on each nut. Once seasoned, cashews are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags to preserve their freshness and extend shelf life. These bags are designed to remove air, ensuring that the cashews remain crisp and flavorful for a longer period. The many uses of cashews. Cashews are more than just a snack. They are a versatile ingredient in a wide variety of culinary creations. Cashew milk, cashew cheese, cashew salad, and even cashew-based desserts are just a few examples of the creative possibilities. Their rich, buttery flavor makes them an excellent addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond their culinary applications, cashews are also packed with nutrients. They are a great source of healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin E, B6, magnesium, and copper. Cashews are known to support heart health, improve bone strength, and boost the immune system. The global impact of cashew production. As we conclude this journey through the world of cashews, it's clear that Ivory Coast's cashew industry is more than just a business, it's a lifeline for millions. The country's ability to produce high-quality cashews is a testament to the dedication of farmers and the successful integration of technology into agriculture. From the lush fields of Ivory Coast to your local grocery store, each cashew tells a story of hard work, innovation, and passion. So, the next time you enjoy a handful of cashews, remember the journey they've made and the incredible process that brings them to your table. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,